The UnderCover Armor Flex is a hard folding cover designed to protect your truck bed and its contents while maintaining its strength, style, and durability. The Armor Flex ships with one pair of rails, the Line-X folding cover, 2 drain tubes, and all the hardware needed to attach it to your truck. To install the Armor Flex, you will need a 1/2-inch wrench or socket and scissors. Clean the bulkhead with rubbing alcohol. Remove the backing from the seal and attach to the inside edge to the bulkhead. Use scissors or a knife to trim the seal to fit. Attach the drain tubes to the fittings at the front of the bed rail and position the tubes to divert water out of the truck bed. The location of the drain holes varies by the model of the truck. Attach both side rails to the truck bed. The rails are left and right specific and have been pre-assembled for your convenience. Slide the 2 front mounting bolts into the track on the underside of the cover, one on each side. Place the cover onto the mounting rails with the smallest panel towards the cab of the truck and with the front flap covering the bulkhead. Carefully unfold the cover. Unfold each panel and position it so that it is centered side to side and front to back on the truck bed. Be sure the latches on both sides are engaging with the cover mounting rail. Carefully fold the cover up to the open position. Pull the release cables on each of the 3 panels to release it from the side rail. Take care to fold it gently so the position of the cover is not disturbed. Place a front retainer clamp, flat washer, lock washer, and the star knob on the front mounting bolt underneath the cover and hand tighten. Be sure the front retainer clip is clamping to the side rail correctly. Test the cover again for proper operation, adjust as needed, then tighten the star knobs. The installation is now complete.